Let us recapitulate what we have done till now. Till now, we have done the simple sentences, then the negations. In the simple, we have done present tense and statements with past tense that changes into past participle. Then the universal truth, which does not change. अगर हमारा reported verb is in present, तो the sentence is changed into present tense with change in determiners or any kind of, अगर आपका कोई adverb होता वो change होता, जैसे आज के assignment में today was there. Then in the last class we had done the request. तो जब request होता है तो हम यूज करते हैं to, और हमारा जो रिपोर्टेड वर्ब होता है उसमें हम लोग यूज कर लेते हैं द वर्ड्स लाइक रिक्वेस्ट या प्लेडेड. उसके बाद वी हैव डन कमांड और ऑर्डर. तो सिंपली इट चेंजेस कमांडेड टू. बट इफ इट इज एन एडवाइस और सजेशन लाइक लेट अस, तो इट कैन इवन चेंज इनटू सिंपली लेट अस प्ले चेस टुडे. अरुण सजेस्टेड टू प्ले चेस दैट डे भी हो सकता है, बट मोस्ट like appropriate is suggested that they should play chess that day. अब हमारा जो है लास्ट आ रहा है, which is of course one of the very important as well as bit different. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जब हम लोग क्वेश्चंस बोलते हैं तो there are two kinds of questions that we normally get. One is with the WH families हम लोगों को मिलता है, या how इनसे मिलता है. For example, what, when, where. मतलब हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है ये इनसे स्टार्ट हो सकता है. who या how इनसे स्टार्ट हो सकता है, राइट? और दूसरे हमारे क्वेश्चन जो है दे मे स्टार्ट विद इज, was, are, can, मतलब any modal verb, any modal verb. तो when your questions are starting with, याद रखिए प्लीज, what, when, where, who, how. तो जो हमारा क्वेश्चन होता है वो क्या होता है, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्नेहा asked, where is my guitar? Right? What is the question? Sneha asked, where is my guitar? तो जो हमारे क्वेश्चंस व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर किसी से भी आ सकते, तो उनके साथ हमारा जो ये वर्ब है ये हमेशा उसके बाद लगता है. इन द आंसर्स, हमारा जो ये आंसर हमारा चेंज होता है, दैट ऑलवेज वुड, विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, रिवाइज, जोर जोर से बोलकर आपको लर्न करना है. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट फिर वर्ब. इन द आंसर, इन द आंसर्स आपका पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा फिर ये वर्ब आएगा. क्वेश्चन में पहले वर्ब आता है बाद में सब्जेक्ट आता है. क्वेश्चन में हमारा पहले सब्जेक्ट आता है और बाद में वर्ब आता है, लेकिन जो हमारे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस हैं इनके अंदर पहले सब्जेक्ट और बाद में हमारा वर्ब आएगा. नाउ हाउ. स्नेहा आस्क्ड दैट वेयर. अब स्नेहा लड़की है तो हर गिटार was. Remember, Sneha asked that where was her guitar, नहीं होगा, where her guitar was होगा, where her guitar was होगा. It would not be where was her guitar, because such questions come in the options and most of the time students just उसी को उतारते हैं, तो it is wrong. Next is my mother said to me, when are your exams starting? Right? So the answer would be, my mother asked me that. ठीक है, जो हमारा when है, where है, who है, वो वैसे का वैसा ही उतरेगा, when. Now in this work and your exams हमारा subject. are and starting हमारा verb है, are and starting हमारा verb है, and your exams is our subject. तो पहले subject फिर verb, पहले subject फिर verb. When my exams are will change into were starting. When are my exams starting? नहीं, when my exams, आपका जो subject है वो पहले आएगा फिर verb आएगा. The next one. Anshul said to his sister, how was your interview today? Right? Now, Anshul enquired his sister. जरूरी नहीं है कि हम हमेशा ask लिखें. Sometimes in your question answers you may be finding enquired, क्योंकि पूछताछ है. That how up your interview is the subject and was is the verb. तो how, अब सिस्टर है तो हर इंटरव्यू was will change into had been. Was will change into had been, and today will change into that day. Anshul inquired his sister that how her interview had been that day. How her interview was that day, nahi had been, क्योंकि was is past tense, because was is past tense. Now the next we move is to the questions which starts with anything like is, are, were, was, any kind of modal, can, could, ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन. इनमें क्या रूल होता है? इनके अंदर हमारा रूल होता है when we change them, तो रिपोर्टेड पार्ट हमारा सेम रहता है, लेकिन जो हमारा आंसर पार्ट है, जैसे आर यू वीपिंग, आर यू वीपिंग, तो इसमें हमें पहले लगाना पड़ता है इफ या वेदर, इफ या वेदर, एंड देन द सेम रूल जो हमने ऊपर किया था, पहले सब्जेक्ट फिर वर्ब. Remember, in the questions which the question part, interrogatives they change into statements. तो हमारे क्वेश्चन में तो क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा होगा, but in our answers we don't use any interrogations, no quotation, nothing. So when the questions are starting with is, are, was, can, could, anything which is a modal verb, नॉर्मली अगर हम देखें ना तो इनके दो ही आंसर होंगे. इज मतलब कि यस या नो. आर यू वीपिंग? यस. आर यू वीपिंग? नो. कैन यू पुल दिस? यस. कैन यू पुल दिस? नो. तो when you are having these kinds of questions, first of all we will be using if या whether after the reported verbs, then same हमारा रहेगा पहले subject फिर verb. This is the rule for changing the questions with interrogatives with is and anything. For example, Sushila asked her son, are you going to school? So this changes into Sushila asked her son if, उसके बाद आपका सेम पहले सब्जेक्ट फिर हमारा वर्ब. If he was going to school. The frog said to the crocodile, can you chase me? This is given. The frog mockingly asked the crocodile. ये दिया हुआ है. Now, if फिर हमारा subject and these are verbs, can and chase. So if he could chase him, यहां पर जो he है it is used for crocodile, और यहां पर जो him है it has been used for the frog. The frog mockingly asked the crocodile if he could chase him. You क्योंकि crocodile के लिए यूज हुआ है तो he में चेंज हो गया. Can changes into could, chase me. Sarita asked her neighbor, "Did you watch the news yesterday?" Now here you is subject and did is in the past tense. Did is in the past tense. Did और watch जो है, it is the verb. Sarita asked her neighbor whether she, क्योंकि नेबर है, लेडी है, तो यू को हमने चेंज किया इनटू शी. Did would change into had. Watch का third form. Watch, watched, watched. If she had watched the news yesterday, will change into the previous day. Now here the subject is not given. Who is the person? Second person, right? So हम इसको my father है तो we take it on ourselves, me. Will is will and take जो है, they are the verbs, and you is the subject here. So my father inquired I if I would take the bag to the car. I is subject, would take. और कभी भी हम लोग whenever we are changing the modals, would मतलब may को अगर हम might में change कर रहे हैं, shall को should में कर रहे हैं, with that we use only the first form of verb. We use only the first. I would took नहीं होगा. I would took नहीं होगा. I would take होगा, चाहे वो कोई भी मोडाल क्यों ना हो. My friend said to me, "Is it raining outside?" If it was raining outside. Simple sentence. So this is मतलब उस वाले में क्या था हमारा फॉर्मूला. सिंपली अगर वॉट व्हेन वेयर कुछ भी हो तो वो तो सेम रहेगा, बट फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड देन वर्ब. और इसमें क्या है, वी ऑल्सो नीड टू एड इफ या वेदर, देन द सेम फॉर्मूला, subject and then verb. Like for example, in the first, are you going to school? If he was going to, if मतलब कि यहाँ पर ये नहीं होगा कि पहले आप जो हो, मतलब कि जैसे हमारा कैन यू चेस, इफ आई कैन चेस, इफ आई ही कुड चेस। तो सिंपल वर्ड्स को आपने पहले चेंज करना है, यानी कि यू शुड नो व्हाट आर द सब्जेक्ट्स, देन इफ के साथ पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा, देन आपका वर्ब आएगा। दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, आपको बार बार इसे रिमाइंड करना है, क्योंकि ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में many a times the students commit the mistakes. So just revise it in the same manner. Just quickly recapitulate what we have learned today. We have learned reported speech in the interrogative forms. Already we have done the simple statement, negations, then past tense, universal truth, commands, requests, and suggestions. Today we have come to interrogatives, in which we have done two kinds. When the sentences start with words like WH or how, we use the same, but subject is preceded by verb. पहले subject आता है, फिर हमारा जो है verb आता है. That is the rule. Then the second kind of sentences are those which may be starting with is, was, are, were, or any kind of modals. In that, first of all, if precedes after the reported verb, जो भी हमारा report होता है वो, उसके बाद if या whether होता है, then the same first subject and then verb, and then the rest of the sentence. In the questions, we normally have the question mark, but in the answers, we don't use any question because it changes into simple sentence. तो आपको अपने हमेशा in all the reported verb, you should always first of all understand what the reported verb is. If your reported verb is in present and your sentence is in present, then there is no change. Only आपके जो pronouns हैं वो change हो जाते हैं. Like I would change into he or she, then you would change into he or she, we would change into they, and then the what you call as the adverbs today, tomorrow, ये हमारे change होते हैं. This we have to remember. In the question forms, we have to remember the same rule. यानी कि अगर हमारा simple वाले questions हैं तो subject and then verb. इस वाले में if या whether लगेगा, फिर subject फिर verb. So if you are very thorough with each of them, around 3 questions are there in the paper. 3 questions आते हैं आपके. There is a choice of course always. 10 questions आपको करने पड़ते हैं. तो 3 questions आते हैं based on reported speech, in which there is option in 1 question and 2 questions come without any options. And the pattern is same for class 9 and 10. If you are thorough with all these rules, then you would never fail. मतलब कि आपका ये वाला जो question है, this will never be wrong. So this is the entire reported speech.